This tutorial is an overview of the pmBLOX application environment. The pmBLOX application uses a ribbon bar approach like some of the Microsoft products. If you notice in the top left hand corner there's a ribbon bar icon, and this is where you will open your new projects, open up existing projects, save projects, and print any projects that you might have open. This is also where you can access the options window. The pmBLOX option window has two choices, add-ins and resources. You won't have to do anything at the add-ins window, but the resources will give you contact information, how to find us on, and about the pmBLOX application that you're using. First, we will cover the Home tab. The Home tab shows the simulation controller, which can make the simulation controller disappear or reappear as need be. Next, the View tab will give you access to your Gantt view, as shown here, your resources, calendars, management policies, and reports. Next, the Project tab was where you will do most of your work. First, the InSync button is an indicator whether or not the chart is updated. If you make any changes to the chart, you will need to rerun the simulation. When the InSync button is grayed out, that means that the data on the screen is not up to date, and you will need to rerun the simulation by going down to the simulation controller and clicking on the Run button. After the simulation is finished running, you will see that the InSync button is colored in. Next, the Settings button will bring up the window for the settings in the project. You'll be able to change the project name, start date, current date, choose to run from the current date and use tracking data, the amount of days that the simulation runs, reorder the task every however many days. You have your budget settings and your planned value acceleration multiplier. Next, the Import button will allow you to import projects from Microsoft Project or Primavera in XML format. Next, the Layout section of the ribbon bar has indent, outdent, move up, expand, collapse, and delete. The Indent button will allow you to indent the selected task on the project. Outdent will allow you to outdent. The Move Up button will move the current task up one level. The Expand and Collapse icons allow you to expand and collapse summary tasks. The Delete button will let you delete the selected task. Next, the Gantt section allows you to change the scale of the project. The Columns button lets you add or delete columns from the Gantt view. You just untick the box of the column that you don't want to see. Next, the Display button allows you to display the names of the tasks and the names of the resources assigned to each task, as well as dependencies and reference dates. Each column on the Gantt view is able to be resized, and each window is able to be resized. Lastly, the Quick Access toolbar at the top can be customized, where you can add icons for cut and paste and copy, as well as open a new project, open an existing project, or save the current one that you have open.